So we will continue from Naliya, where we landed. Actually, we had an emergency landing, and the only thing that I will change is to put my flight plan right now, a simple flight plan somehow. So Naliya is Victor Alpha November Yankee. So let us do these things a little bit, because I don't know if we will manage something, or if there is a problem with the aircraft. So this is the only thing I can change. Now I don't know if we will continue to bank and we will have a second emergency landing. Otherwise we will change the plane. It is that simple. Okay, and destination is Oscar Echo Romeo Kilo, I suppose. Okay. No wavepoints, no nothing. Primitive things. So, at least, which is the runway? 33 right. And is there any departure? I doubt, yeah. Okay, runway 6 at least. No legs, no nothing, I suppose. Still we have legs. Okay, I don't know if this will help or not. So in general, it will be the same again. I mean, we just depart maximum flaps. The runway is not the longest. I release my parking brakes and I leave from Naliya with the same plane, with wounded Biman. Okay. Nose down. We will exceed the runway, you will see. There is some extension, at least I saw when we landed. Just in time, okay? Gear up. Is it better now? Auto throttle engaged, speed okay to 45. Autopilot engaged and lateral navigation immediately. Let me see. Will we follow our flight plan? Okay, I can reduce my speed even further to 10, let's say, in order to turn. The question is if we will still continue to bank. And yes, I don't want, it was enough. I don't want to make my life more difficult. No, I will not this time. Okay, live weather not. It will be clear skies. It will be just clear skies. Clear skies, yes, this is what I want. Let us climb to 10, 11. Vertical speed. Okay, something steep, 1.9. At least with the flight plan I can monitor our position somehow. I'm already bored and quite sad, of course. Actually, I don't want to continue, but it was quite some time to voyage, and yes, I don't want any more. Okay, I can reduce my flaps, and I can retract them totally. And of course, I will accelerate the flight. Again, there is some banking. I don't know what is going on. At least it seems it is less. Yeah, slightly better. Flight director is on, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Okay, more or less we follow our route. The only thing I want to see is here. Okay, the only thing I want to see is the payload, because I don't know what is going on, of course. Here I want to have a look. Yeah, everything is symmetrical, so ladies and gentlemen, the problem is not solved. The only good news is that somehow we managed to stabilize at 11,500 feet. This is the best we could do. And somehow banking is reduced. I activated and deactivated the autopilot lots of times. Auto throttle doesn't seem to have a problem. Payload is equal. We checked this. Actually, this was the major suspect. But everything is symmetrical here, so I don't think we have any problem with the payload. And somehow it seems slightly better. I mean, it seems slightly better. Let's see if this works now. For instance, if I want to change my altitude, let's say to CTRL2 to 12,000. I hear the throttle changing. Here it is. So this seems it works. Let us see the PFD. Yeah, slightly it is better. Still there is some deviation. Or my instrument something, I don't know. Okay, we stabilized at this, at least this worked. Okay, 12,000 feet. I don't know. So let us speed up since we're above 10,000 feet. And let us go to maximum speed of 340. Okay. And somehow it seems we also follow the flight plan. Yeah. I also checked pitch and trim. We don't have any problem there. Okay, what to say? Yeah, we are on a route, isn't it? En route. Okay, I disconnected the autopilot. How many times have I done this? I mean, now we stabilized at 11,000 feet successfully. But it doesn't last long, and then my altitude changes. I'm totally disappointed. Slightly, our banking is less. I can see here on the PFD. We just want to reach Riyadh actually and to finish this farce. It seems to be slightly better. I'm glad that we don't have any disturbance from the ATC. I mean, I don't know, I changed my frequency earlier. So we're stabilized at 11,000 feet and we follow our flight plan, and it is time to accelerate because I'm tired and bored. And it is quite a distance until this is shot. How was the waypoint? Yeah. Again, the stupid banking gets worse, I'm afraid. Anyhow, I will accelerate time. What to do? CTRL insert to increase our vertical speed. I will be waiting to stabilize it at 8,000 feet again. At least we don't bank now, seems. Yeah, we don't bank. We were banking for a few hours actually. I was banking for a few hours and I already had the emergency landing again. But let us hope that at least the plane is fine. I mean, this is to me the most important. Okay. It is a game and the game can have difficulties from time to time, but I hope there is no problem with the 777-200. We are closer to our airport in Riyadh, so we will stabilize at 8,000 feet. Seems successfully. And we are not banking anymore. This is the most important. Now, for instance, if I go to, because we are quite far, if I go to, what is going on? Why I have this waypoint? Anyhow, it seems the rest are deleted. The rest waypoints, I mean. So if now I go to lateral navigation, good. Cross track distance about 2 miles, deviation. My speed is not very high, so we can turn easily. 11,000 feet for a resub. And distance quite a lot, 500 miles, 5.5, 550 miles approximately, and 11,000 feet. So the nightmare is over finally, because it was quite a nightmare today. Okay, give me some time to accelerate again. I want to land as soon as possible. And again we're banking a little bit. I don't have to see, I mean we are above Dubai. It is clear that we are above Dubai. Banking above Dubai, this is where we are. No, I will not land to Dubai, I will continue to Riyadh. Okay, I changed the settings once again, and definitely we are closer to our destination. We don't have any flight plan again, we don't have nothing, and so far we don't bank. Another airport this time, if I remember well. Yeah, exactly. Where is the destination airport? Okay. No, I don't have the... Okay, yeah, appeared. Execute, 33 right. And if I go to lateral navigation, in the beginning everything seems okay, then afterwards starts the nightmare. I will reduce my speed. Let's hope this time to land finally. I mean, this took quite some time. I'm very curious now how the plane will behave. I mean, I'm very curious. BDU from time to time to correct the elevation, otherwise you go here and you adjust your barometer. Okay. We are stabilized at 8,000 feet at least, successfully, and it seems that we will follow our new flight plan. Okay, you see the throttle works fine. I'm afraid to increase my speed because maybe this has to do also with this damned banking. Right now we don't bank, I think, I mean, isn't it? Yeah, this is the turn in order to follow our flight plan, because we have lateral navigation engaged with the autopilot. So far so good, let us see. 109. 1. I don't think that we have any frequency. Yeah, we don't have. And this means that maybe it will not work. 109. ILS 33, right, okay. So we're getting closer and we bank less. Terrible, terrible. 69, resub is the next waypoint. We must not forget the elevation of 2,100, 2.1 thousand feet is the elevation of the airport. Right, Alt and here, and this is visible, I suppose. These things I have said lots of times. Decision height source is on and it gets activated below 2.5 thousand feet here on the PFD. And you can also see the instruments, otherwise you cannot see with the MSFS mode, only with the screen mode this is possible. Are we stabilized at 8,000 feet? Yes, it seems we are. For instance, now if I go to lateral navigation mode again, if you deviate a lot from your flight plan, lateral navigation may not work. And by the way, I downloaded a bespoke airport, which is not the best, but it is better than nothing in Riyadh. The runway is very long, about 15,000 feet, but somehow during the simulations before this flight, there were some problems. The ground proximity warning system, it is activated 2,000 above the ground. I can see here, isn't it? This is important here. RK 808. To 2.1,000 elevation. That is why this difference here, altitude and here the ground proximity warning system or decision height shows. Okay, we're lined up at least. Throttle on idle, the most stupid thing I heard is this. Okay. Yeah.
Ground Biman Niner 639er taxi to the gate. Ground Biman Niner 639er, say again.
Yeah, okay, say again. Better not to say again and just to find a nice place.
Did you copy?
Yes, I did. No one is coming, isn't it? Okay.
Biman Niner 639er, did you hear my last transmission?
I can change my position later, but let us...
Biman Niner 639er, did you copy?
Let us taxi.
Biman Niner 639er ATC service.
Yeah, I know.
Good day.
Yeah. I think I recorded. Okay, I will not insist because I'm extremely tired. I mean, this took quite... it took, how to say, it took a few hours, all this thing. Yeah, it is about minus 40, 50. Okay, I have many things to say about the landing at the airport and so on. Actually, it was difficult. It is just a long runway. I have a lot of simulations here earlier. So I'm not in the mood to continue, just to have a look, and maybe we will make some clip. I hope I will save this landing. Let me do this right now. But I will not insist, and we will continue later. I just want to save, not to forget to save. Okay. To save the landing, I mean with the flight recorder. Minus 30, minus 40, 14,000 feet runway. I don't even know where I touched down. Yeah, here I was lucky, I didn't touch down, otherwise it would be something like minus 300, yeah. I touched down here, okay, yeah. But you don't have 14, 15,000 feet runway every day, isn't it? I will save the landing and maybe we will have a nice remix song, something. Yeah. Also I can comment about this landing, but anyhow, what to say, I'm totally dissatisfied and tired. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Riyadh. This is where we are right now, with Bangladesh Airlines. Second time that Biman had an emergency landing. I mean, what to say, is this a coincidence? Okay. Let's not insist any further. Let us go somewhere else. It is a very big airport. We will spend some time here. And I think I deleted the previous landing, unfortunately. The landing in... To be honest, I don't even remember the city. Naliya something, I don't remember. I will leave my plane exactly here, it is just fine. I mean, okay, I want to stop. I didn't turn off the engines. It seems I didn't. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this clip and hope to see you soon to the next one. You take care and bye for now.